Alright, this should be better. 1 second, let me pull it up. Alright, man. This is your rat, man. Let me know how it is. Abby. She's got it down, I think, better than I did. But alright, man. We're gonna give it a shot. Here we go. I'm living in a world where the sun do not shine, and the sound of a shot just might blow in niggas' mind. Every knock on the door got you grinding your teeth. Everybody's so worried they don't know what's beneath. All the violence in the streets, I can't hear my voice. You wanna come see homie? Damn, that's your own choice. Cause nothing out here comes off as a bluff. With you thinking you're hard, acting all rough and tough. At night, all we hear are the screams. Let me tell you, homie, it's not what it seems. Seeing light brighter than UAV beams, you just witnessed a murder. Most likely what it means. All these rich boys mobbing like they're hard. Alright, man, that's the first part. Second part will be coming up here shortly. I just gotta work on it. Alright, man. You live, man. Love you, brother.